what is CUET?
CUET is a common entrance exam.
CUET is, I know that it is a exam, entrance exam.
What?
Eligibility test, common eligibility test.
It's an exam.
It is an entrance exam.
Those are examination for entrance in the DU.
No, it's a college entrance exam.
Okay, and what is the full form of CUET?
I don't know, ma'am.
नहीं पता.
Hello, I am Dishita from Del Guru, Dronacharya Education Learning Institute, and today we are at Mamta Modern School, H Block, Vikaspuri. So let's talk to these students about CUET, Common University Entrance Test. Hi, what's your name?
Ayushi,
And you are from which class?
12th.
Do you know what is CUET?
Yes, I know. CUET is a common entrance exam which you need to give when you want to join a new university. According to your course, you can join the university by giving the test and qualifying it.
And do you know that this exam is mandatory?
Yes, I know this exam is mandatory for some fields, and like me, I am from the science category, so I have to do the BTech, so I have to give JEE. CUET will not be applicable in that case.
Okay, and are you aware about the exam pattern of CUET?
Exam pattern is like the MCQ part. There are only objective questions, none subjective questions are asked, so it's like that only.
And what those subjects consider, like what are the sections in the exam?
I don't know much about the CUET's section, and I guess it's the domain subjects which you choose in the 11th. I guess for me it's physics, chemistry and maths, and for other it may vary.
Okay, thank you. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Yash Bhardwaj.
And you are from which class?
I'm from 12th.
Do you know what is CUET?
CUET is, I know that it is a exam, entrance exam. I don't know any details about it. I am NEET के English में बोलते हैं हिंदी में.
Your choice.
I am currently studying for NEET next year.
So you are not considering CUET as your backup option?
I'm not concerned about it right now. If I am not able to clear NEET, it can be my next option.
So don't you think that you should start preparing right now for CUET as well along with the NEET?
I'm preparing for NEET, so if I am not able to clear, then I'll go for it.
Okay. What's your name?
Aksh,
And you are from which class?
12th.
Do you know what is CUET?
Yes, I know. Common
What?
eligibility test, common eligibility test.
Okay, and do you know that this exam is mandatory?
Yes, mandatory for college admissions.
And do you have any idea about the exam pattern of this paper?
No, because I am preparing for JEE.
So you are not considering CUET as your backup option?
No, I will give it.
What's your name?
Manashvi Singh.
And you are from which class?
11th.
Do you know what is CUET?
Abid. It's an exam. That's it.
And do you know the full form of CUET?
No.
Okay.
Tanu Sharma.
And you are from which class?
I'm in 11th.
Do you know what is CUET?
It is an entrance exam.
And do you know that this exam is mandatory?
Yes, मतलब mandatory नहीं, अगर किसी को करना है आगे तो he can give the exam.
And what is the full form of CUET? Do you know that? Okay. What's your name?
Kanishk.
And you are from which class?
11th.
Do you know what is CUET?
Yes. Those are examination for entrance in the DU.
And do you know the full form of CUET?
No.
And are you aware that this exam is mandatory or not?
It's not mandatory in my opinion, in what I know.
And do you know about the exam pattern of this exam?
Not really.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Vineet Bansal.
And you are from which class?
11th.
Do you know what is CUET?
Yeah, I know. It's a college entrance exam.
Okay. And do you know that this exam is mandatory?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Okay. And what is the full form of CUET?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. What's your name?
Harshit.
And you are in which class?
9th.
Do you know what is CUET? What is it?
College entrance exam.
And do you know that this exam is mandatory?
Yes.
And what is the full form of CUET?
नहीं पता.
Okay. They want to pursue their dream career. They want to get into their dream college, but they lack basic information of CUET exam, which is a way to their success of their future. But we at Del Guru give proper information and solve all your queries. So for further information, you can visit our educational informative YouTube channel Del Guru or contact on the number given below. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.